What's going on, 8th grade? This is Mr. Bradford back again. So, if you're not already aware, how school is going to work for the rest of the year is that we're doing packets again. So, you'll get a packet at the beginning of the week that has 2 worksheets or whatever, 2 days of work, and then you'll do that and you'll turn it in. This is the video for the first week. What it's going to look like for you guys is you're going to have these first 5 questions. So this video will kind of just be introducing you to this homework, I guess. This is all a review. Ms. Morton said that you guys have already done electricity and magnetism before. So it's going to be a quick video. There's going to be that worksheet, and then there's going to be this worksheet. I'll do a YouTube video over this worksheet later, but for now, it'll be this first worksheet. So without getting too big into the questions, I'm just going to go over some information here. So hopefully this will help you answer the questions, and if not, your own resources, yada yada. So a magnetic domain is a region within a magnetic material or a magnet, right? In which the magnetization is in a uniform direction. So basically, the domains in a magnet are like when they're all facing the same direction. What happens if you break a magnet in two? This one might not be obvious, or it might be. So, boom, there it is. That happens because the domains are, still the same way. Yeah, think of a big magnet as being made of tiny magnets. When you break it in half, nothing really changes. If the original bar magnet has poles at each end, the 2 pieces will attract each other. If the poles are across from each other, across the short side, and you break it across the long side, the 2 pieces will repel. Not much you really need to know besides that picture right there. So, where is magnetism strongest in a magnet? So, again, might not be obvious, but the North and South Pole, right? We can go to this one right here. They all the lines of magnetism originate from the North and South Pole. So those are the regions where the magnet is the strongest. So we got magnetic fields created by running electricity through a wire. All magnetic fields are created by moving charged particles. So even the magnet on your fridge, because it contains electrons that are constantly moving around inside. So moving charged particles. That's how a magnetic field can be created. There you go. And then last thing to note is field lines and how they are all in the same pattern, They don't cross, right? So that's about all I have for you. Again, these are your 5 questions. Hopefully, you might have to go back through this short video again, but it's all there. And again, use your own resources. Don't freak out over it. I don't know if I already mentioned this in this video, but Miss Morton is going to be back on the 27th. But until then, it's still me. If you can't get this back to the school and you need to turn it in through email or some alternative method, they're still going through me. So, but she will be back on the 27th. That's about it. I hope that is clear enough, straightforward. I will later this week, maybe tomorrow, I'll go over that. I'll go over this next set of questions. So in your packet, you will be getting all of these at the same time. But if you're watching this on Tuesday, check back Wednesday for the next 6 through 10. That's about all I have. I will talk to you guys next week.